Hello, everyone. We have a snow day in our Mojave Desert, and this hasn't happened for 2 years. So we haven't even had rain for about a year, at least, a good rain. So we're really happy and thrilled. At least we're getting the moisture. And when this ice melts and the snow melts, because it was raining earlier, um, we will have all of that beautiful moisture going into the ground. So, yeah, I don't know how much we're going to get. It could quit and just be finished, but at least we have the moisture here. It's sticking, so we shall see. And the roosters are a-talking. Actually, they're being kind of quiet right now, but I'm sure you heard them earlier in the background. Hey, baby.
Hey.
And I forgot to put my hat on. And so I'll be ending this really soon. I just hope my tomatoes and pepper plants survive this. We did our enclosure. So we'll see. I don't know. We'll see after this cold weather gets finished. But we could have a couple of days of this. So anyway, 2 years ago is when we actually were putting our fruit trees in. At least now our trees will get some of their cold hours that they need. They need at least 300 cold hours. And 2 years ago, though, we also had a visit. And we had beautiful wild horses over here on our property. Exactly about where I'm standing now. And that was, of course, before we got our fence put up. And I hope the electric fence works in water and wet and snow, because I haven't a clue. But you know, good memories. I'm excited that we have snow today, so I'm going to get inside and stay warm. Have an amazing day.
We've already been out earlier to go get the chickens. And there's what it looks like. I already cleaned off the solar panels, but they're not making much juice. This is what came overnight. And it's, as you can see, it's about 1.5 inches deep. Everything's all white. We can't see the mountains because we're still in the cloud, where it's not as dense as parts of yesterday. But see, you can see on there, and there, and you can tell my footprints are kind of deep where, but see, everything's white in our desert. It's still snowing a little bit. But this is our second snow storm for us, because this is generally no snow parts of the desert, or very seldom. But this is the second year we have gotten snow. And see, it's pretty thick. Everything is blanketed. Even the birdhouse. So it's pretty nice. Everything's white. But it's not near Christmas, so we can't do the I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, because Christmas is long gone. We're almost at the end of January. The chickens all survived pretty good, but we'll go take a look at them. I don't know how they enjoyed the cold, but they all survived. And they got their molasses feed this morning and last night, which helps them endure the cold because it helps bring their body heat up. They have a body heat of like 106 or something like that. 106, 107. See, there's the coop. There's the run, the first door. And this is the door that leads into both sides. See, there quite a few of them are out. That guy's always out over here. He likes over here a lot. And there's all the roosters. The best they have is with a blanket on top of their little cardboard coop. And then inside there, that's where they sleep. But see, they get a lot of snow in their side. And they're all here. They got their warmer feed this morning, which is actually not a chicken feed. It's 4-way, and it's for bigger animals, but it helps keep them nice and warm. And they're doing fairly well. I'm sure they don't like the cold. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And we got one rooster here. He always likes this part. There's the main rooster. Doing pretty good. They're out here searching for food again. See, they're molting. Some of them, but not all of them at the same time. See, there's one of the roosters. That guy right there. That guy right here that we're keeping in here. And that guy. The rest are all hens. Some are bigger than others. Some are molting. But a lot of them are probably overlaying. But they already ate quite a bit today. See, that's the warmer food. It helps keep them warm and keep their body heat up. It has molasses in it. It's called 4-way. And not that I know anything from experience, because I'm new to the chicken experience. But see, here's our food forest. It's all white now. Snow came down pretty good. The ground is all covered. Ice on the water. Probably ice on the big compost. No, it looks like mostly sludge on the big compost. There's our rosemary bush. It's doing very good. Most of our trees are bare now. And they're finally getting some cold weather. See, they were starting to almost sprout out already. And now it goes cold. The buds are already starting to expand. Because we've been very, very warm here in comparison. I think this is when it really started to pop and swell. All these buds. But it looks like they didn't maybe go far enough. Maybe they'll stop now and come back in a little while. So that we can see those mountains over there. The solar panels, I had to sweep it off. So we'd make a little bit of juice today. But it don't look, see, we can't even tell where the sun is. It's probably in about there somewhere. But we can see the mountains a little bit this way. But see, we're in the cloud. The cloud is at our level. We can see through it because it's not as thick as it is sometimes. But there you go. See, that's even my footsteps from earlier. And the snow's only gotten a little bit deeper since then.
What's going on, BayMax? What do you think of that cold stuff, huh? He's checking out the snow. He's not sure he likes it at all. He's gonna go under the truck where there's no snow, Rob. Hey, BayMax, come on in. It's cold outside. Come on, let's go. Come on, Kiki, come on in. Come on, BayMax, let's go inside. It's cold.